Are black bathroom fixtures a good idea? Dear friends, black has become a popular accent color for kitchens and bathrooms. Many homeowners love the look of sharp black fixtures against crisp white cabinets, and others like the way black add a pop of color without actually committing to an accent color. Nevertheless, black hardware and faucets aren't suited for every home. Watch on to learn the pros and cons of black fixtures. Black fixtures work with many design styles. Black is a neutral color, which makes it incredibly versatile. Black fixtures fit into a variety of design styles, from modern farmhouses to mid-century modern to industrial and more. If you plan to sell your house in the future, black fixtures can appeal to a wide pool of buyers. This is a safe choice for a large portion of homes. Black bathroom fixtures are often hard to clean. The biggest drawback to black hardware, black faucets, and black light fixtures is that they are difficult to keep clean. The black highlights water drops and dust, much like dirt on a black vehicle. The fixtures may look great when they're clean, but they won't look clean for long. Many homeowners dislike the maintenance this adds to their day-to-day life and prefer other finishes with less upkeep. Black adds contrast, which may or may not be ideal. You may love the stark contrast of black against other colors in your bathroom, but not everyone feels that way. Black contrasts different colors in different ways. It may look bold against light-colored cabinets, but it might blend in with darker cabinets. Will black hardware and lighting go out of style? Since black is a neutral color, it can transition through different design trends. However, the specific style of your black fixtures may not fit the trends of the future. If you want black fixtures that will stand the test of time, look for simple lines and minimal detail. The more ornate and intricate something is, the less likely it is to be in style in the future. Other ways to add black accents to a bathroom. You can add black accents to your bathroom without choosing black fixtures. Something as simple as art with a black frame will achieve the same visual pop without committing to hard-to-clean hardware. Add a rug, shower curtain, or towels with black in them to create the look you're going for, or consider refinishing your countertops with touches of black. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.